Hey everybody, this is Gene, Marketing Manager here at Powercolor. Today I wanted to show you a brief video on our professional cooling system, or PCS for short, and I wanted to compare it with a reference board design so you can see what the key differences are between the two. Now you'll notice that these are two different cards. One is an HD 5770 and the other one is an HD 5850. Just for this video's purposes, we're just going to look at the fans itself and not the performance of the cards. So this will just kind of give you an idea of the two different designs. So for those of you that might not be familiar with a reference board design fan versus something like our Powercolor PCS system, our reference board design is basically your standard run-of-the-mill cooling system that you'll typically get from each ATI manufacturer at the launch of a new graphics card. You can see there's really not much to it. There's a casing that covers most of the card, including the GPU and the memory. And on the front you can see that there is a standard fan to help circulate the air in and around the card and around your system, and it does a fairly good job of that. But when we look at our PCS system here, it has some similarities, including the casing that goes over the GPU and memory, but it also has some major differences, including the heat pipes right here that are made of copper. And when we flip it to the front, we can actually see that underneath the fan it's actually sitting on an additional heatsink. And the 92mm fan makes a huge difference because it is significantly bigger than the reference board design. And actually, when you see it on the side, you actually see the copper heat pipes that actually go through the card itself. And what this all means is, put together, this card is dissipating the heat generated at a very efficient rate, much greater than if you just had a fan by itself like the reference card above. Now this was just a brief overview to give you a real-world comparison on the differences in cooling systems. If you want to find out more about the PCS system and how it works, check out our website at powercolor.com or search the web for some of our PCS reviews, and you'll quickly see why it's the better choice to go with if you're a gamer or a hardware enthusiast. Again, thanks for watching.